Two for Tuesday, double up day. It's your boy Crypto Millie back with another Pepe update. I haven't done a Pepe update in a while, so the comments should be interesting. The comments should be interesting. I'm interested in knowing, family, if you guys are still bullish or are you bearish on Pepe. Now, this is a perfect example why you don't hold meme coins, right? You take your profits and you move on, or maybe you just get in when it goes lower because when meme coins pump, they will retrace. And I honestly hope that everybody family is learning a valuable lesson with Pepe. A lot of people got wrecked by Pepe. You can see here if we go check out the all-time chart here. Pepe rose in literally 1 week. Pepe pumped for literally 1 week. That's it, and it's been going down ever since, family. So we're in the cusp of a bear market transition to accumulation stage or the first stage of the bull run, whatever your perception is. But this is a perfect example. Perfect example. Why I tell you guys do not get loyal to these meme coins, these meme coin communities. The communities are wonderful. Communities are wonderful. Like I love the people in the community. Like the community is not the community. It's the core people behind these projects. And ever since Pepe fought that FUD, right? From Paulie and Paulie was one of the biggest influencers with Pepe, to the alleged developer or founder of Pepe. Pepe just hasn't been the same. It just don't hit the same, right? I know y'all can feel me in the comments. So at the end of the day, to put that into perspective and to just be ultimately real with you guys, Pepe only pumped for 1 week, and it's literally been going down ever since. Now, there's been meme coins that have done the same. And will Pepe rebound? Only time will tell. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Pepe, what's going on with Pepe, if it will rebound. Make sure that you like to subscribe. Consider checking out the links in the description. For now on, I'm doing the night videos on Patreon. So if you want to be part of the night videos, those small cap, low caps, or just some drama that's going on in crypto, the night videos I will be doing on Patreon. I got a one-on-one with one of the Patreon members on Wednesday. So I'll be honored to meet this guy and have a one-on-one consultation. But we're starting to move a lot of the content to the Patreon. So check out the links in the description. Because at the end of the day, the algorithms, man, they want me to talk about these projects that I hold. Okay, I hold blue chips, my blue chip projects, but I know that the generational wealth are going to be in the low caps, those gems, right? Those new cryptocurrencies that have yet to get that bull run yet. So we're going through it. Join the Patreon if that's something they're interested in. No pressure, no pressure. All right, let's talk about Pepe. All right, Pepe. Where are we? We are currently at a $252 million market cap, right? The 24 volume is down 30%. The 42 million in volume is good, but it's been extremely selling pressure, right? Everybody's been looking for the quick pump to just get out. And further to double down on my point, this proves exactly what I'm saying. If you take a look at the holder count, you don't normally see this from meme coins. Just go look at Shiba Inu, Doja Mars, Baby Doge. A lot of those holders have bought into the project. They're long-term holders. They bought into the utility, the development of the project. But it just seems that nobody is buying into the development of Pepe because there hasn't been a word on the development of Pepe. Frankly, they got to come out and say something. We haven't heard anything from Pepe since the Telegram got hacked. Okay, so everything about Pepe for the last month or so has been bearish, family. And the question is, will Pepe ever rebound? Now, I've been on, record saying that there's an elite group behind Pepe that I honestly believe is why Pepe pumped, right? If you go back and look at some of the history of Pepe, the elite group, the Trump connections, it's a little bit of gray area there, but I believe Pepe had an elite group behind it that pumped Pepe, all right? And then all this FUD came out about the developer, how you spending money on this, and then the potential a multi-sig wallet where they couldn't come up with an agreement, and then people left the project. So now we're at a point, right? We're at a point where we're at a crossroad where Pepe has to find an identity. And I think that's the issue. Pepe just doesn't have an identity. We don't know what they're working on. We don't know what's being built. There's no goals. There's nothing. You know. It's funny because this is a good actually saying. There's no carrot being dangled in front of us to keep us motivated about being part of the Pepe project. So simply, it is looking like a pump and dump project. Now, is it? The jury's still out. But when you look at the charts, right? We look at the charts, you can see here it's been going down. It literally only pumped 1 week. To put that into perspective, let's look at the daily charts here. You can see that we're literally we're in the hell house. We're in the hell house. Get out of my way. I need to pay for it. Like and subscribe so I can pay for this trading view. But yeah, I'm just I'd rather buy crypto, but I need to get the official version. But hopefully you guys enjoy the videos and get some alpha. Leave a comment. But you can see we're in the hell house, right? We broke the 236. We did a fib from the top to the bottom. We broke the 236 here. We're in no man's land. We're literally in no man's land. We have one last line of defense here at about 6046. Yeah, 6046, right? And then that's it. No telling where Pepe can fall if it breaks 604. And right now we're at 606. So, is the reversal near? I haven't seen anything that tells me the reversal is near. I haven't seen anything that tells me the reversal is near. Let's see here if I can put on an indicator, see what the stock RSI is looking like. I don't know why my stock RSI not pulling up, but it should be pulling up. Let's refresh the page. Hopefully it don't go back. Yes, it went back to the Bitcoin dominance. Let's go to Pepe and see what's going on here. So, yeah, okay, here we go. Stock RSI. There's no momentum. It wants to reset, but until we get a cross on the stock RSI above 20, technically there's no confirmation that we could go higher. This could stay down here for a while, even though the stock RSI looks like it wants to put in a double bottom. So the MACD has crossed bullish. We have momentum on the MACD. Not much momentum, but we have a little bit of momentum. So maybe people are starting to buy this dip. I just don't see it. This project has a lot of issues right now. The holder count is going down. It rose in the last few days, but it's been on a downtrend. That's not what you want to see. When you see a project going down like that, you want to see the holder count going up because people are buying the dip because they believe in the project long term. It just seems like the long term holders, they're just not there for Pepe. And again, Binance is the biggest holder. So then we got to worry about the concerns with Binance because the Binance news came out that they're not trying to cooperate with the SEC. And Binance just is, Binance, it just irritates me that when I look at the holder counts, I got to always see Binance as the number one holder. Yet Binance is one of the centralized exchanges that have the most FUD. So risk reward is just too much risk right now with Pepe. Hopefully everybody got their profits. And at this point you just gotta wait this thing out and see how far it goes down. It just looks like a falling knife right now. Will it pump? It could possibly pump. It's a meme coin. So maybe whales come pick it up once it gets to that 604 or 605. I believe people would probably try to front run Pepe, knowing that the last line of defense is 604. I can see the whales coming in at 605 just to get that liquidity back rolling and then dumping down to 604. But Pepe has been disappointing from a all around opinion. Pepe has been disappointing. That FUD between Paulie and the alleged developer really hurt this project. And the last thing I want to say this. And this is the most important thing. Shiba Inu dumped for 6 months, right? It pumped up probably like 1 week, dumped for 6 months, and then we seen an insane pump. That's the only hopium I got for you guys. Maybe Pepe, it's been correcting for the last 6 months, and then we see an insane run because Pepe is popular. It has the popularity of something like Sheeb, but Sheeb holders were consistent, and I'm just not seeing that from Pepe. I've mentioned this before. I used to believe that Pepe could correct for 6 months and then run. I just got to see more. Shiba Inu has actually been developing, right? They actually gave the holders something to hold on to make them believe. Pepe just hasn't done that. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it, man. It's unfortunate because this project had potential, but once that the flood comes in and it's around the team, sometimes it's never the same. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.